Hello everyone, Eric Monkey here. Welcome to another MTB / vlog video. And if you haven't already checked out my rock climbing / vlog video, please go check that out. I'm going to try and link it in the description for today's video. So today I'm going to be possibly doing like some bike maintenance and washing the bikes, making sure they're taken care of. So I'm going to go head out and get both the bikes because we're going to give them a wash because they haven't been washed in far too long. That's my fault. We're going to fix that. And yeah. See you guys next clip. Oh, if you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell to get my latest videos. So yeah, let's cut to the time lapse where I go get the bikes. So as you can see, I got both the bikes over here. I'm kind of missing something. You know how you kind of need stuff to clean your bike with? We'll transition to the part where I get the stuff. So ready for this? Hey, there we go. That's some cleaning supplies to start this cleaning time-lapse process. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the old bike first. Cue that time-lapse. For the specialized status. Cue that clip. So I just got done washing the two bikes, and would you guys like to see the aftermath of all it? It looks really good. And after this clip, I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog and see you guys in the next video. So here, yeah, it looks super, super shiny, super nice. I spent like an hour cleaning this thing, so it looks perfect. And the old, but still amazing Yeti is looking better. Not great, but better. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you all have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.